Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael Carbone. I'm a business and immigration attorney in Staten Island, New York. Today, I want to talk about setting up a certified breastfeeding counselor or postpartum doula business in the state of New York. Now, before I dive into this topic, if you have any questions or you want to start a conversation, please drop a comment below. Otherwise, if you want to set up a formal legal consultation with me, visit us at carboneattorneys.com. We have a button in the top right corner of our website. Click it, fill it out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So over the last couple of months, I've had the opportunity to work with some great people looking to start CBC or postpartum doula businesses, and I thought it would be great to put out a video because I imagine there are much more of you out there that are interested in setting up a business like this and really want to know more about what does it take, what do you need, and how do you get started. So because the certified breastfeeding counselor and postpartum doula industries are not heavily regulated, there aren't many regulations or laws that are applicable to these types of businesses. But I think first and foremost, one of the most important things is getting certified and trained properly in these fields. Now, there are a lot of well-known organizations out there that provide both the certifications and trainings, and this is really the first step. This is what you need. You don't want to start a business if you don't really know what you're doing, right? So you want to be able to gain those certifications, take those trainings, and be qualified to provide these services to the public. So once you have obtained your certifications and trainings, the next step is setting up your actual business. Now, you can choose either a corporation or an LLC, but frankly, I think an LLC is the easier option for this type of business. There's less corporate formalities. You get pretty much the same protections from a personal liability perspective, and they're much easier to manage than a corporation. Now, my blog post associated with this video goes into more detail, but roughly, you want to pick a name for your business. You need to file the articles of organization with the Department of State. You need to comply with the New York State publication requirement. You need an operating agreement for your business. You need an EIN. And once you have all those things taken care of, you can start opening your bank account and credit cards and getting your business out there into the public. Now, once your business is set up and open to the public, you want to work on your service agreement. You want your service agreement to cover a range of topics, but ultimately it's there to protect you and your business. So most often these agreements will include language about what specific services you are and are not offering to your customers. What liability protections are in place? How much do you charge for your services? Are there different rates based on different times of the day, based on how many hours are being booked? And you also want to think about confidentiality and protecting your client's personal information that may be shared as a result of providing this CBC or postpartum doula service to your customers. Now, in addition to your services agreement, you might want to include other legal documentation to, again, protect yourself and protect your business. Now, most often you are interacting with your customers and you may want to take photos to promote your business on social media. A photo release would be an extremely helpful document to have so that your customer is fully aware of the rights they have and what they would be releasing as a result of you putting their photos on the internet. Next, you might be offering group counseling sessions. So you want to have the documentation to protect your business in that situation because there obviously might be some confidentiality issues, privacy concerns, and you want to make sure that the attendees of your group counseling session are aware of what is taking place and what you will or will not be responsible for throughout that session. And lastly, you might want to consider some HIPAA privacy and release forms should that be applicable to your business. So to sum everything up, let's go over these points. You want to first have those certifications and trainings so you are qualified to provide your services to the public. Next, you want to set up that LLC so you have that liability protection for yourself and your business. After that, you want to have that comprehensive services agreement to explain your services to your customers, protect your business from a liability perspective, and lay out the costs, expenses, timelines, and everything applicable to your business. And lastly, you want to have those additional forms that may or may not be applicable to what you're doing, so you have those documents in place should they be applicable to your business and give you that full, robust protection from a legal standpoint. So that's it. That's the video for today. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and I'll keep making them.